Function of the beauty. Out of the frame, there is the key. MIT engineers made Super Supreme Shampoo. Function of the Beauty is entirely different beauty startup who are selling shampoo and conditioners. They started up at the end of the 2015 and fantastically flipped over the beauty market. There are already tremendous amount of shampoo brands, and also the beauty market is known as reddish, redocean. But why Combinator put $12 million investment and also Fast Company select Function of Beauty as one of the 11 beauty startups to watch. Adding to their remarkable quality, their selling method catches our mind. We can choose literally everything starting from ingredients to name of the shampoo. They customize your own personal shampoo. Then, let's make our own shampoo. If you answer to hair quiz, they automatically customize your own shampoo. At first, answer to the question about your hair type, structure, and scalp moisture. And then, select functions of the shampoo up to 5 goals among 17 choices. You can check which ingredients are inside of each choices. There are choices such as deep condition, fix split ends, hydrate, replenish hair, anti-aging, and so on. After that, you can customize your formula by choosing fragrance, strength of it, and name of the shampoo, and also the color of them. There are 5 types of fragrance available right now. Personally, I like 100% natural eucalyptus scent, which is oil blend of eucalyptus, lavender, rosemary, and peppermint. If you use it, you never need perfume anymore. And choose the set combination and the size. You can choose between 8 ounce to 16 ounce of the bottles. They gave every kind of combinations, so you can choose whatever you want. Subscription. And you can subscribe shampoo delivery by choosing the fragrancy table. And then the cost. One bottle of 16 ounces is around $30 to $40, and one pair of the shampoo and conditioner is between $40 to $50. At last, the delivery. After following the order process, your customized own shampoo is delivered in front of your front door. If you feel that your shampoo is not well fit for you, you can ask them to recombination within 30 days. Then, employee who is the chemist will call you back and consult again. After that, they will resend your shampoo. All of this process is the free. Because all of the process is customized starting from hair type, color to fragrance, the number of the available shampoos at Function of Beauty is around 1.2 billion. How amazing number is that? So they said that we have never sold same shampoos to customers since day 1. This is exactly engineering way of thinking because they specified all of the process and categorized it. They put those thinking mechanisms into beauty business. Then, as you can easily guess that, they are engineers who graduated MIT mechanics. They developed algorithms which can automatically calculate optimized ingredients and dose by using customer answer data. And they also made production equipment and machine system which can follow this algorithm and do the blending. Function of the Beauty uses machine learning to customize its shampoos and conditioners according to each of the customer's individual preferences. Personal care products have long been considered relatively affordable luxuries. You may not be able to frequent a high-end salon or spa, but technology has made it possible to buy shampoo and conditioners mixed to satisfy your exact hair preferences. In fact, anyone can do it if she is willing to spend $30 or more of a bottle. That is how Function of Beauty sees the future. The world of scalable uniqueness. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel and show your thumbs up. and I will hop around the world and bring lots of thousands of funny stories to you. Let's hop around together. Thank you, and see you again!